Linker Bangalore this year, so I've already been placed from Linker, and as of now I'm in Delhi just because our session was moved to virtual mode because offline sessions were closed. So that is why I'm here in Delhi right now. So do you want to ask me questions, or do you want me to introduce myself first, or how do you want to go about it?
I want to represent the way that we want to understand your story. That
Okay.
you gave CAT exam, then CMAT exam, CT exam.
Correct.
So how the journey happened? How Bangalore happened from Delhi?
How Bangalore happened from Delhi, to be frank. So after Delhi, I did my schooling from Delhi, TPS Arkipuram. Then I did my graduation from Delhi itself. So I wanted to move out of Delhi anyhow, because I thought that somewhere or the other, my learning has been stopped. Because वो monotonous हो रहा था, and then after schooling you do your graduation, and after graduation I took work of 2 years with Deloitte Consulting. So after 2 years I was like, it is getting monotonous, and after, let's suppose I invest 1 or 2 more years in my career of maybe job, so I won't be able to do my MBA, where I wanted to go for further professional qualification. So I chose that I need to leave my job, and I made a decision that I need to go for an MBA. So all of a sudden I gave CAT. It was not all of a sudden, but I mentally prepared myself. But I was preparing for CAT while I was doing my job. So I screwed CAT on a very well note. I won't even tell you the scores. So after that, CMAT came in. CMAT I scored pretty well. So I came up to an option of V School Bangalore and Bombay as well. So I gave the interviews. Interviews were pretty good, and I prepared for it. And after that, I cracked to Linker Bangalore. So I was pretty confident that yes, I need to go for an MBA, because job ke saath, it's like you get into a monotonous thing, and I wanted to learn things. So I went to V School Bangalore. There I learned a lot of things. It's just that most of you here would be कि नहीं इतना package लग जाता है, so we need to go for an MBA. Don't go with that notion. Go with the notion that if you're learning, you'll definitely get a package. So I used to learn a lot. मतलब you'll have to put your own hard work. It's just that the college can give you an opportunity, but unless you are prepared for it, you won't be able to survive. So I won't say that there's 100% placement in all the colleges, but if you're willing to learn for it, you'll definitely get a package. You'll definitely get a job. This is what my story is. That is how I moved to Bangalore, and I'm still planning to move to Bangalore for my job. So I've been placed with Deloitte Consulting again through campus placement itself, and I have an option of different locations, but I still want to enjoy the Bangalore life. So Bangalore and Bombay, both are good places. I've been to Bombay campus as well. So ऐसा नहीं है कि if you guys join Bangalore, V School Bangalore, you're not traveling to Bombay. So it used to be most of the time I used to sit in Linker Bombay itself, because I was exploring things. So you need to make your own network, you need to make your own connections. That is how you will grow. Otherwise you think you are admitted to a college and अपने आप सारी चीजें होंगी, it won't work that way.
So how much you scored in the CMAT exam?
CMAT 92%.
Yeah, this is the main thing which I want to make you understand. CAT is not the end of the world. हमारा CAT is the पहला exam. Main exam is CAT. But CAT में अगर score कम आता है तो क्या करें? तो छोड़ नहीं सकते.
हाँ. So at my time CAT में LR was pretty tough, and वो होता है ना कि एक notion एक सब वो तुम्हारा section खराब हो रहा तो दूसरा खराब हो गया. And I was like कि नहीं यार अब तो career शुरू हो गया. Even though I had a job that time, but I was not happy with it, because it was too monotonous. कि if you want to grow, it will take around next 10 years to grow and to become a manager. When I want to stop my education job very journey, and I was like I want to explore things. But unless you have a second option is either going for an education or maybe starting your own entrepreneurship. So मेरे साथ it was like I want to leave the job just because I have a second option कि घर पे बोल सकें yes I'm going for an MBA, even though I was not studying that. To be frank, I was not a person कि जो MBA में जाके भी सिर्फ पढ़ना है, वो वाला सीन नहीं था मेरे साथ. I wanted to explore things, a lot of things, so I balanced it out. And उसके बाद from V School Bangalore I got the first day 1 जो day 0 बोलते हैं. So I got placed with Deloitte Consulting, and I was the one who got the highest placement from V School Bangalore as of now.
And what was your job earlier in Deloitte?
Deloitte Consulting, it was analyst role.
Earlier, before MBA.
Before MBA, that was a graduate level job, analyst. Now I am being, I'll be joining as functional consultant in Deloitte. So that was IT. This would be financial consultant, finance side.
अरे Deloitte से शुरू किया उधर ही आगे वापस तो क्या मिला? अरे बाबा consulting अभी consultant. There's a huge difference between a non-MBA and an MBA.
So while I was in Deloitte, I knew that Deloitte has a lot to offer, but the period was long. Like if I'll have to invest 15 years in Deloitte to get to a position which I can cover here in next maybe 6-7 years, and I wanted to explore things. So if I go with my experience, in 11th, 12th I took science. After that I took commerce. So I have a diverse field. After commerce, I took IT. After IT, I took finance again. So I was exploring things. I wanted to explore things. At least it's not the end of the world. I've been in IT industry, so I'll stay with IT industry for next couple of my whole career. So I wanted to explore things. I wanted to leave my job.
Any questions you have?
Sir, if your CAT score are screwed, then why don't you go for CET or something like that?
So I went for CMAT. No, so CET.
CMAT to yeah, other than CMAT, you can go for IFT or ZAT or something.
IFT
like
I left by 0.25 marks. You won't believe. मेरा CAT तो बहुत गंदा था. तो किसी को भी बोलो ना कि CAT गंदा था, you can't score in IFT. I missed IFT by 0.25 marks. So ठीक है जो. But I tried, obviously I tried, but in the end it was like कि I made a decision कि इस बार कुछ भी मिलेगा, I'll have to go with it. मतलब ठीक है, I agree कि अगर tier 1 नहीं मिल रहा है तो मैं tier 2 के साथ जाऊंगा, but I'll perform well there. And to be frank, it's not mandatory to be explicitly good in education or academics. That is what my story is, and I believe in it. You don't need to be particularly too good, but at least while you're there in MBA college, be in the top 25% or 30%, not related to academics only, but overall. And if you're there in overall, I can see that people are getting placed. Until unless you're not working on yourself, so it's difficult. Even the college can't get you placed then.
I have this second question for you. Okay, what do you mean by top 20%? With respect to what? Height, with respect to length?
No, not everything. Let's suppose you're not networking with people, or maybe you're an introvert. I agree that people are introvert. Even I was an introvert. But you need to learn things. You think that you're there for learning. You're spending around 15 lakhs in any of the MBA colleges. If you take an average, you're spending 15 lakh rupees. While you're spending 15 lakh rupees and now you're not networking with people, or now you're not learning things, won't work. So in all prospects, not only 2 marks की नहीं CGPA 10 में से सबसे highest लाना है, वैसा नहीं है. तो average CGPA लाओ, but you do live projects as well, you do summer internships as well, you learn, you build your own CV. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि you're afraid of asking questions to the faculty. ठीक है, नहीं समझ आ रहा दोबारा पूछो. तो I used to get brains of my seniors कि नहीं मुझे बताओ कहाँ गलत जा रहा हूँ, कि where my interview is going wrong. So I used to give a lot of mock PIs. So in the end, all of you are preparing here. In the end, 90% of the crowd is going for the placements, to be frank. So I have been through this phase. Usually लोगों का ये mind frame होता है placement मिलेगा, we will start our careers. So what my previous experience taught me, one second.
ये आपका क्या problem है?
So what my previous experience taught me कि you start getting dig into those monthly paychecks. तुम्हें job start हो जाती है, तुम्हें समझ नहीं आता करना क्या लाइफ में. तो इसलिए मुझे वो था कि 2 years का break तो लेना ही लेना है, and I'll learn things from that. So I learned a lot of things from that कि क्या मुझे लाइफ में करना है, where I need to go with it. तो obviously I was a part of the entrepreneurship cell at V School as well. तो exploring things, जो मैं जिस बात पे आ रहा हूँ, I was a part of the entrepreneurship cell. I was the part of the placement cell. I was the PSEC of Willingham Bangalore. So I got into a lot of options, a lot of boards. ठीक है, लोग बोलेंगे you fail if you try a lot of boards, but that was I was looking for opportunities. So through that I learned कि नहीं, where I need to get back to, what the job industry has to offer, and how I can go ahead with it.
So, questions. First was how many years do your work experience before graduation, and second is what should be your profile for consulting.
Sorry, before graduation, after graduation I worked for 2 years.
Before MBA, what is the respectable working that you need to require?
So minimum is 1 year. Anything less than 1 year is not considered as work ex. So let's suppose even if you have more than 12 months of experience, that is good enough. But 2 years है तो it's too good. But if you have more than 3 years, and now you consider that you'll get because in 3 years you'll be comparing it with the opportunity cost. Let's suppose if you have a work ex of 3.5 years, anybody who have a work ex of 3.5 years, he's already at a place. Now he'll compare it with next 2 years. So obviously you're comparing it with the opportunity cost, how much you'll grow in the next 2 years. So it might not be the same in the short term period, but in the long term period, obviously it will make an effect. Minimum 1 year, you'll be considered as an experienced candidate. Otherwise, you'll be considered as a fresher.
How to build profile for consulting?
Specialization, not per se specifically, but while you're in the college, you'll definitely find out that how you need to pursue with the live projects, what kind of live projects you need to go into. And obviously you don't need to dig on all the parts, but you need to choose wisely.
I would like to ask that
नहीं medical नहीं. I took science with
Science.
non-medical in 11, 12. Yeah.
Non-med, and then finance. So didn't you that you are not good in particular particular set of stream, like you are not from finance.
Nice. So it's like I've been asked this question a lot of times. I was asked this same question in my interview, but it depends on how you're selling yourself. So I was selected for internship with Big Basket in my summers, but due to this corona, so they couldn't onboard us. So that was for operations. So I was moving into operations, but it totally depends how you're selling yourself on the D-Day. So if you know the answer, let's suppose it's not the end of life. Let's suppose you're doing medical and now you don't want to pursue medical. So you won't sit for next 30 years assuming that I took medical for 2 years or maybe 4 years and I couldn't succeed in it. So it doesn't depend on that. It totally depends how you're selling yourself on the D-Day for the interview and how can you convince the interviewer.
You told us that after graduating in commerce stream, you got into Deloitte in IT.
So
How did that happen? From commerce to IT?
So the double graduation, I did commerce and IT as well. So I was selected on a BTech role, but wherein I did BCA. So that was a minor of computers. So I had some knowledge on it. So I was selected as an IT role. But the work I used to do there was not pure IT. That is what I'm trying to tell you. So you have ample of opportunities while you go for a job. So you don't need to stick to a particular, let's suppose anybody of you who are good in maybe let's suppose C. So you don't need to stick your mind that yes, I only know C language, so I'll be working my whole lifetime on C. You need to explore opportunities.
You did BCA.
Yeah, and BCom as well.
The last question.
Mhm.
So you are working. So how you convince your boss कि I don't want to pursue? You can't tell him like I am preparing for MBA.
Huh.
So how do you manage your work with MBA preparation?
So while I used to come from office, I used to sit for long hours study, and if your manager is pretty good, so I worked for like 3 months on work from home basis. So my manager was sitting in Hyderabad. So she was pretty chilled out with the work I was doing. She was like, I just need the work before tomorrow's 10 a.m. call. Do it anyhow you want to do it. Maybe sit for long hours at the night, maybe sit for long hours in the daytime. It totally depends on you. Now we had a call in 10 in the morning. Now I'll take another call in 10 a.m. next day, but I need the work before 10 a.m. on my mail. So I was like, okay, within 24 hours, I used to manage my time anyhow. So the job I was doing, the working hours were flexible enough. So that was a pretty good thing for me.
So everyone knows about the internship and the final placement of IIM, ABC and type A or type B colleges. What about the type C colleges or lower side of type B colleges, internship and final placements?
So particularly, like, what exactly your question is? Your question is about regarding to B school. I am a B
जॉब
school
लगेगा
candidate.
लगेगा बेसिकली
Huh?
कि जॉब लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा
Yes sir, job लगेगा और internship होगी तो कैसे होगी? Things like that.
नहीं होगी ना
नीचे ना भी जाके तो नहीं मिलेगा सीधी बात
और टाइप सी टाइप डी में ज़्यादा क्यों है जो आपको सामने से कॉल करेंगे बोलेंगे आ जाओ
सिंपल फंड है जो आगे से कॉल कर रहा है हमारे कॉलेज ज्वाइन कर लो वहाँ जाने का ही नहीं
Yes,
है
I'm also in type B ना. That's why.
वो टाइप ए बी में आ गया जो देन इज लोअर देन डी में
सी यू
B
से
में नहीं पूछा सर मैंने, B एंड में एंड C में.
हाँ देन एवरेज मतलब उसका क्या 9 लाख का अगर एवरेज पैकेज है 9 10 तो उनका 9 10 12 का पैकेज
Everyone got there.
But see, please understand, 100% placement is always a myth. So if you go with this mindset, you're anyways not going to get placed. Even if you're in type A or B.
अभी रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा तो मैं बोल नहीं सकता इवन द टॉप कॉलेज देयर इज नो 100% प्लेसमेंट कभी खाली जाता है
हाँ कट कर दो बाद में
आई वांट टू कन्वे माय पॉइंट आल्सो विदाउट टेकिंग द नेम ऑफ द कॉलेज
हाँ हाँ नाम लिया तो बवाल होता है
हाँ बड़े बड़े कॉलेज में भी प्लेस 100% यार तुम काफी जनता ऐसा होता है उसको देखा तो बोलेगा तुम एमबीए पहुंचा कैसे या उस दिन इंटरव्यू अच्छा किया तुम्हारा हो गया उसे क्वेश्चन पूछे देना पीपल लाइक दैट सो वी तो तुम्हारे ऊपर है शीशा देखो घर जाके जहाँ भी तुम्हें वीकनेस दिखती है उसको इंप्रूव करो प्रोफाइल में अकेड्स में जिधर भी तुम्हारा वीक एरिया है इफ अकेड्स आर वीक वहाँ जाके अच्छा करना
So you need to figure that out yourself. So I used to figure that out. I used to stand in front of mirror. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलूँगा. I had an experience, but on the D-Day मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि I am missing out on something because things has moved virtually. Obviously the classes were going on, everything was going on, but the exposure मेरे को थोड़ा लगा कि I am missing out on something. So I used to practice on my own. So you need to figure out कि where are you lacking. So It totally depends upon
The
you.
main thing life में there are two ways to get a good package. A, either try good in the exams, CAT, SNAP, top करके आ जाओ, तुम्हें अच्छा कॉलेज मिल जाएगा, फिर कंसल्टिंग में आ जाओगे. Second, if you join a B grade college, C grade college, then do well in college. अब कोई घटिया कॉलेज में जाओ, वहाँ पे 30% लोगों को जॉब लगेगा. You have to be the top 30% बस. Fine. So I depend on college to college also.
ठीक है.
नहीं, जॉब करते टाइम आपने ये सोचा कि मुझे दूसरी फील्ड एक्सप्लोर करनी है, तो MBA क्यों सोचा? MBA ही क्यों सोचा?
नहीं,
ये
MBA
course कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला. एंट्रेंस के टाइम पे समर प्लेसमेंट, फाइनल प्लेसमेंट, आज भी वही क्वेश्चन चल रहा है.
MBA के टाइम
Why MBA?
why? So obviously while you're working in the industry, no, you'll get to know कि the work you are doing, the same work your manager is also doing, but he has a deeper knowledge of things, and the whatever the management is consulting him or maybe conveying him, he's conveying to you. So you're not in the decision making process. You're just working as an assistant or maybe whatever you call it as. So where you want to grow and you want to learn things and you want to understand things, no. So let's suppose you say that I want to go for an assistant level role. So why did you pursue 12th or graduation? You could have got that at the level of 10th pass. You learned because you need to understand some certain facts. No? So you need to be in that mind frame कि yes, I need to go with a post grad where I learn things. It's not just the package कि नहीं सीखना ही नहीं है कुछ, वहाँ जाके मस्ती करनी. It's not that thing. You obviously learn things. That is what I told you, no. You need to learn. You need to find out your own opportunities. कि where am I lacking and how I learn through that opportunity.
ठीक है, अभी मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है, चलो.